Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Google Sheets and wondered how to add those tricky accent marks to your text, maybe you're typing names in Spanish, French, or any other language that uses accents, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a quick and reliable way to insert any accent mark you need, using just your keyboard and a built-in tool on Windows. It's way easier than memorizing a bunch of keyboard codes. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. That's Windows plus the dot. You can do this from anywhere as long as you're on a Windows computer. Go ahead and press them together now. This brings up a handy pop-up window right on your screen. Normally people use this to add emojis, but it actually has a lot more to offer. Now once this pop-up appears, look closely at the top. It should have a bunch of tabs or categories. What you're looking for is the one that says symbols. It might be an icon that looks like a little omega, which is the Greek letter, so don't worry if you don't see the word symbols right away. Just click around the tabs until you find the one with all sorts of symbols and not just emojis. Here where the magic happens. Inside the Symbols tab, there's a character map filled with all sorts of special characters, math signs, currency symbols, and yes, all those accent marks you need. Scroll through the list until you spot the accented letters you're looking for. You'll usually find things like e acute, and tilde, u umlaut, and plenty more. It might take a few moments, especially if you haven't used this feature before, but take your time. Think of it like searching through a big box of craft supplies to find the exact color bead you want. When you see the accent character you need, just click it. Instantly, it'll be inserted right where your cursor was in Google Sheets. So for example, if you're typing Jose or Francois, you can pop in those special letters effortlessly. If you've got several different accents to add, maybe for a list of names, just repeat the process for each one. And here's a tip. You can even leave that emoji and symbol pop-up open as you work, so you don't have to keep reopening it. Some people think you have to memorize complicated alt codes or change your keyboard layout, but this trick skips all of that. It keeps your workflow smooth, your spelling accurate, and your document looking professional with zero fuss. If you ever get stuck or can't find the symbol you need, don't stress. Take a breath, try scrolling a little slower, or even use the search bar if your version of Windows shows one. You can always experiment, nothing's permanent in Google Sheets, and you can simply delete anything that doesn't look right. And that's all there is to it. Now you can type any accent mark in Google Sheets quickly and accurately using just your Windows keyboard. If this tutorial helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.